Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by routing signal correctly. Bass into tuner, then compressor, then amp. Plug in and set input gain to unity so you're not clipping. Engage the compressor and set threshold high so compression is barely audible. This lets you hear changes. Put ratio at 2:1, attack around 10 milliseconds, and release near 200 milliseconds to catch transients without squashing tone. Once done, play steady notes and listen for level control rather than obvious pumping. This is where subtlety begins. Now you sculpt dynamics. Reduce threshold until peaks dip around 3 to 6 dB on the meter, which evens level without killing dynamics. Adjust attack between 1 and 30 milliseconds. A fast attack tames slap and hard picks. A slower attack preserves initial bite. Then match release to the musical feel. Set it shorter for quick funk lines, longer for held notes so sustain remains smooth. Make small changes and play through song parts. This ensures compression, supports groove and clarity, rather than smearing it. Finish by balancing output. Use makeup gain to restore perceived loudness so your parts sit in the mix. Bypass the pedal often to a /B and confirm you've improved consistency without losing attack or low-end presence. If you hear pumping, breathing, or a thin tone, respond quickly. Lower the ratio or raise the threshold, and lengthen the attack slightly to let transients through. Lastly, if low end gets boomy, engage any low-frequency sidechain or trim the input. These quick fixes keep your bass solid.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.